Okay, stop making sense. There's an extraterrestrial. There's extraterrestrial. I gotta tell you about extraterrestrial. My favorite extraterrestrial friend from Asasani, Bashar. Hail, hail, hail to Bashar. Thank you for your guidance, even right now. Thank you very much for your guidance. Oh shit. Oh shit. I forgot why I mentioned Bashar. Oh yes. Stop making sense. No, sorry. He didn't say that. He said, don't make sense, make dollars. You get it? Huh? You get it? Don't make sense, make dollars. So, well, there's a music group called Stop Making Sense. No. There's a song called Stop Making Sense by a music group called Talking Heads. Brian Eno. No, it's not Brian Eno. It's David Byrne. David Byrne. Hail to David Byrne. Hail to David Byrne. Okay, so part of the difficulty of making art is you have to wait for the paint to dry. Haven't you heard of this meditation called wait for the paint to dry? That is an actual meditation. You know, Zen people, they say, you know, you should watch the garden grow, listen to the stones talking to each other, and watch the paint dry. That's the meditation. Now, where did that come from? I don't know. Now, as an artist, why do I pick the blue pen? Because this is my pencil case. This is my T ruler. Let's back up. You can make a very nice straight line by lining up the, right? I don't know why. I know why. It's just the art of the day. Now let me back up to the beginning. I sit down and the first thing I do, excuse me, relax, right? So there's like nothing. Still, all my things are still here, and don't look at these things. Don't look at these things. This is Christmas.